Has this ever happened to you? Well, if your fridge is leaking, it could be due to a worn or damaged door seal. Luckily, they can be replaced in minutes. So let me show you how. It's important that your fridge or freezer door seal, sometimes known as a fridge gasket, makes a good seal around the whole of the door. A fridge or freezer with a worn or faulty door seal uses more energy than it needs to, can end up with extra ice building up on the inside and potentially water all over the kitchen floor. You can, however, check the door seal with a very simple test. Take a nice crisp £10 note, place it between the frame and the seal, and then let go. Now what you're looking for is for the note to stay where you've left it. If, however, it slides out, it means you need to replace your seal. And don't forget to check all the way around the door. You'll need to make sure you get the right seal for your fridge. For Indesit fridges, visit indesitservice.co.uk, click parts and then put in your model number. And you'll usually find your model number at the bottom of the fridge by the salad drawer. As you can see, I've taken everything out of the door just to give myself a bit more space. Now removing the seal is a breeze. All you have to do is pull it out. Now, to place the new seal in is just as easy, but a top tip for you, start in the corners and work your way into the middle. And then again, pushing in the corner and working into the middle will make your life so much easier. There you go. Now to order any door seals or spares and accessories for your Indesit fridge or to live chat with one of our service team, visit indesitservice.co.uk.